Welcome to the VO, one of DC's premier condo buildings located at the wharf. If you're looking for a place with a great view of the water, we've got you covered. Let's check it out.
In my opinion, this is the best balance of value and luxury if you're looking for a true waterfront experience. The layout is incredibly well thought out with an open floor plan, a den that easily functions as a bedroom, a gorgeous fireplace with stone surround, beautiful accents throughout, and these incredible warehouse style windows. But the real showstopper is the balcony and the water views. This is the waterfront lifestyle most of us need right now. And the icing on the cake is the staff and the amenity package. A heated saltwater infinity pool overlooking the channel and a fantastic fitness center that really takes the experience up a notch. Come see it for yourself and you'll understand.
Thanks for taking the tour with me. If you feel like this could be a place for you, reach out.